Any thought can manifest into reality if the self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial can be completed and dropped. Self-doubt, self-hatred and self-denial, if that can be completed and dropped, any thought can become reality. Understand? You may say, how can any thought become reality? How many times you can ask that questions in how many forms? I will also give answer in so many forms, but same answer only I'll give. You will say, how can it be possible? I'll say it is possible. You can say, how can it happen? I'll say it can happen. You will say, no, it is not possible. I'll say, okay, tatastu. Understand, deep down the constant self-denial you carry, any good thing, if it starts happening, the first thing you will start thinking is, this cannot happen to me. How can such good thing happen to me? No. It's too much. Too good to be true. How many of you strongly believe anything good is about to happen in your life? You will feel it is too good to be true. It cannot happen to me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand fully. Let me see. That is what I call self-denial. Understand, the self-denial destroys all possibility. Any solution you try to find, the self-denial distorts it. A man goes to the doctor and says, Doctor, is there any way for long life? Doctor says, get married. Man says, will it help? I will live long forever? Doctor says, no, but the thought of long life will never come to you. Solution with the denial is not going to work. This is not solution, please understand. You never getting the thought of long life is not the solution for wanting to have long life. Most of the time, your solutions are nothing but self-denial. How many of you already remember? Many times you pacify yourself with self-denial as a solution for the problem. Raise your hand. Many times, self-denial is used as a solution to come to a problem. You just don't want to think further in that direction. Seal it. Self-denial is the best seal. It is like because you don't want to clean the clogged drainage, you just cover it with iron cover. Iron cover is not equivalent to remove the clog in the drainage pipeline. It can keep you away from the smell, but it is not going to solve the problem. How many are getting what I am saying? Self-denial is constantly used in you, by you, as methodology to escape from a problem. I tell you, the first thing we are going to handle today is working on your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. When I remove that SDHD, automatically I can awaken your Kundalini just like that. Please understand, I am not claiming anything which I can't. I am very clear. If a doctor comes and tells you, he is a doctor for last 25 years and he has done so many surgeries successfully, he is not egoistic, proud or boasting. He is just telling you the fact to give you the confidence so that you are ready to go through the surgery. Same way, when I introduce me, I am not egoistic, boasting, arrogant. I am just telling you the fact so that you can trust what I am teaching and experience it. Please understand, I am very clear about what I am saying. I have awakened the Kundalini energy of at least few lakh people successfully. And I request you, the science is 100% success, foolproof method. Bring your authenticity. Just go through the process. Bring your listening. Go through the process. You will see what you want can be manifested by you simply. Understand? This science which I am teaching you today, I am going to give it to you. It's not that only today one thought you will work on it and make it into reality. Next time if you want to do something else as reality, you have to come here to Kalpataru program. No. You can use this science every time. And this science is independent of me. Once it is transmitted to you, you can experiment with it anytime you want. With all my integrity, I vouch for this science. It really manifests the reality you want to cause. You just need to come to certain decisions, conclusions, understanding. Just that you need to do little cognitive shift. How you perceive you, how you perceive your thought, that understanding need to be shifted, that's all. If you think you are a body, you have no consciousness inside you, you are just a body, waste body, that's all. If you think you have a consciousness inside, the Kundalini Shakti, which can be awakened and used, you have a Kundalini Shakti, that's all. You just need to go through a cognitive shift. Your perception about you need to change. I just want to repeat this one idea. Anything you want can be manifested as reality. Now, I request you to choose one thought. Don't choose a confused thought, or don't choose a thought just to challenge me. Choose a thought which is your high priority, first priority in your life, which you really want to see as reality. Please understand. Don't choose just to challenge me. If you are trying to challenge me and establish supremacy over me or the science I am teaching, you are only going to be the loser. I am not. Because you can only conquer a man who comes to conquer you. You cannot conquer a man who is not interested in conquering you. That is why I tell, don't fight with a non-violent person. I am not here to establish my supremacy over you. So you cannot establish your supremacy over me. So don't waste your time in choosing a thought just to prove this science is not going to work for me. Sometimes you think, no, the science itself will not work. Sometimes you think, maybe it will not work for me, it will work for everyone else. Please understand, the science is 100% successful, foolproof. I am not saying 99.999999999%. No. If I say 99.999999999%, each one of you will think that 0.00001% for whom it does not work is me. How many of you are here? You will think exactly, it is not going to work only for me. Raise your hand. It's true. You are authentic, that's all, when you raise the hand. Now that is the way our mind functions. That is the way our mind functions. Now, choose one thought. Any one thought which is first priority in your life. Please understand. It's like if God appears in front of you and asks, oh my son, what do you want? What you will ask him? One thought. Don't try to be very cunning. I need to have a 72-story building. On the top I should stand with my grandson's daughter and drink in a golden cup. Be very clear. One thought which is your first priority, which you want to manifest. Choose that one thought and pen down. Listen. Listen. First listen, then you can start. I have a story. A man prays to God and asks God, just come and give me one boon. God is also very pleased. He says, all right, I'll give you one boon, just one. Ask. Immediately the man asks, he has no money, no relationship, no life. He asks, oh God, thanks, my one and only wish is, I want my mom to see my wife putting rupees 20 million worth of diamond around on my child's neck in my Mercedes Benz parked near the swimming pool of our new bungalow in Beverly Hills. See, this is nothing but you trying to prove that science is not working, going to work. No. Don't try to challenge this science. Because I am only going to help you to bless you. I am going to be the co-creator of your reality. Please understand. I am going to be the co-creator of your reality. It means who is the other co-creator? You. We both are going to create your reality. So approach it from that context of making it into reality.